Hi everyone, I am Ronald Kevin Yahin and today I am going to perform an experiment. This is titled Stir Me. The materials we are going to use are transparent glass cup, tap water, measuring spoons, spoon, sugar, and timer. So, let's start. First, we are going to add 1/2 cup of water into the cup. Next, let's add 1/2 sugar. Let's stir. After 30 seconds, let's see if the sugar dissolves in the water. So as you can see, all the sugar dissolved in the water. Since there's no sugar left in the cup, let's increase the amount of sugar by adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. And again, let's stir for 30 seconds. So, let's check if there is sugar left in the cup. So, as you can see, there are sugar particles left in the cup. Since there are sugar particles left in the cup, we can stop adding more sugars. I therefore conclude that unsaturated solution contains more solvent than the solute, leaving no trace of it, while saturated solution is containing more solute than the solvent, leaving a trace of it or particles. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!